Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and that is where the orange line here is coming from. And I point that out because this was a pretty big linchpin of yesterday's analysis in the sense of, yeah, I know Rite Aid's been in the headlines the past couple of days, but what does the market actually think about the news and all the headline stuff? Well, just let that orange line gauge and kind of tell you what the market thinks. And going in today, the market seemed to like what was going on overall because there was this overall uptrend. However, things have now begun to change apparently because you can see that not only did the price break down below that purple line, the orange trend line, they also broke down below that purple line there, that 50-period moving average, which I talked about in yesterday's video. And you can see that, overall, the market did not like that. And if you understand charts, then, this price action here should not be shocking to you at all. But now things have definitely changed around a little bit. The bears took a bite out of it today, and now the question kind of transitions over to, are the bears just kind of warming up again, and are they getting ready to shove this thing back down to this $1.90 range or not? Only time's going to tell on that. But there are definitely some updates here that need to be made. First I'm going to do is just actually get rid of the trend line here, and we're going to convert to this purple line because the purple line is now playing a vital role, which just goes right alongside a basic principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So as I've already discussed, the price has broken down below that purple line. So, per that rule, you would expect it to act as resistance, and surprise, surprise, you can see right there, price got right up. Sure, it didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree, got close enough, and then from that point, got rejected back down. So while I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through that purple line, I'm just saying that going forward, that initial key area of resistance has now become the purple line there. Once again, that 50-period simple moving average. In terms of next levels of support, in the event this movement continues downwards, and that's right here at basically the $2 level, you can see a whole bunch of consolidation right around that area back here. And price didn't quite hit it, but once again, hopefully we can agree it got close enough. So going into tomorrow and then the remainder of the week, key level of support, $2. Key level of resistance up there, that purple line, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $2.11. So we'll see how this one continues to unfold, but another big volume day, a lot of eyeballs on it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.